Green hosting. Green hosting or eco-friendly hosting is internet hosting which involves green technologies to reduce environmental impact. Green hosting includes carbon offsetting, powering a data center directly with renewable energy, planting trees, plants and grass around and over data center, and more days to days activity such as energy conservation and the use of energy saving appliance. Green hosting utilized green marketing with focusing on green customers that are concerning about the environment. World Internet usage statistic shows that the Internet is still rapidly growing in the US and growing from 400 to 1000% a year while worldwide. In fact, the total electric bill to operate the server and related infrastructure equipment was $2.7 billion in the United States and $7.2 billion worldwide. It is estimated that if energy consumption with web hosting keeps rising at the current rate by 2020, the industry will be more polluting than the airline industry. With so much demand on resources, eco-friendly hosting services emerged. Hosting sites that contain a green e-certificate label are organizations that voluntarily adhere to strict environmental guidelines. A green organization doesn't necessarily have to have access to green power from wind, water or solar energy. They can also purchase green certificate to offset the use and cost of conventional energy. Green hosting companies will work to consolidate data, prevent from having too many online at a time. A hosting organization or any organization can become more self-efficient by using low voluntary computer equipment, contributing to other green organization, using energy efficiently appliance to break room, the use of energy efficient lighting in the building, conducting meeting via the internet. Backyard. Carbon offsetting alone would not solve the climate crisis, and its practice does not excuse anyone from taking direct on site action to reduce emission. We are always looking for more ways to reduce our resource usage around the office and the data center. We use coffee cup made from fully renewable resources. In the last couple of years, we have also been deploying many more servers with nourishingly power efficient AMD processor. As processor and server technology continues to evolve, will follow the path of power efficiency. It just makes sense. Green power commitment. Data center and web hosting use electricity, often a lot of electricity. We, like our customers, are concerned about the environmental impact of this energy use and want to spend development of a more sustainable, low carbon, renewable energy economy. Therefore, in addition to using energy efficient hosting technology, ASO has chosen to go a step further and match 150% of the electricity it uses with renewable energy in the form of renewable energy certificate. This commitment will ensure that for every kilowatt hour of electricity used to host your website, another 1.5 kilowatt hours of electricity is generated by renewable energy project and delivered to the power grid. Renewable energy credit. Putting a price on carbon output is just one way to help make the world a better place. It's a first step towards true energy sustainability. Organizations large and small are constantly working on reducing their environmental emission. When they do so, a neutral third party then step in to verify the reduction and issue what are known as renewable credit energy. In addition to putting wind energy credit, Ideastech work on all our server and configures them so that they can run more efficiently using energy and running cooler. What is mean is less energy consumption on the server as well as less energy needed to cool the server. This attention to details on the server allows us to be more energy efficient in our data center. But we don't stop there. IdeaStack is also hyper conscious about a carbon footprint in our office. We employ rigorous recycling in our office and make sure that only legal and essential documents are printed to conserve paper. Any non any non-essential documents which are printed by mistake are returned to the recycled paper area to our office for reuse in any other printing that we need to do. In addition to employ auto lighting control system to make sure that the light are not on when no one is in the office, and make sure we power down all our office equipment when not in use. Telecommunicating. IdeaStack searches for top-notch personnel, and sometimes we find talented and skilled service personnel who are not located near our office. Rather than try to relocate these talented employees, we allow them to telecommunicate from home or a shared office near them. This allows some of our employees to not to have commute to work, saving money and also carbon emission on gas consumption on their cars. Thanking you, presented by IdeaStack. For more info, log on to www.ideastack.com.